Hi, I'm Lisa Flanagan with the Watauga County Public Library, part of the Appalachian Regional Library System. And today I wanted to show you how easy it is to access the NC Kids Digital Library that was created especially for children from pre-K through the 4th grade. So the first thing you'll need to do is go to the Appalachian Regional Library page at www.arlibrary.org. And at this page, you'll notice that there are tabs for the Ashe County Library, the Watauga County Library, and the Wilkes County Library. So we encourage you to click on those tabs to find out more about the events happening at each one of the libraries that make up part of the Appalachian Regional Library System. But for today, we'd like for you to go to the Search Catalog button. And at the NC Cardinal page, look on the black banner and click on NC Kids Digital. Now you'll be brought to the NC Kids Digital web page, and on this page you'll see many of the titles that are available for you and your children to take advantage of. But at this point, you would only be able to click on a title and to listen to or read a sample of that book. To actually check the books out, you're going to have to go to the Sign In button at the right-hand corner and click on it. And then on this page, you click the drop-down arrow and select the Appalachian Regional Library and sign in. And on this page, you'll put in your library card number and PIN number, which is generally the last 4 digits of the phone number associated with that account. Or you could put in your child's student access or lunch number instead of the barcode, and the PIN number or password for that is usually the last 4 digits that are listed on that student number. After you've got your numbers typed in, press go, and you will be brought back to the NC Kids Digital website, but this time the Sign In button has turned into the My Account button. So before we get started, I did want to point out that you could navigate this website by looking up subjects or collections or specifically Kindle books or the books that are always available. But right now I want to show you how to actually search for a specific topic. So say your child was interested in books about bears. You would just type that in and find that we have 849 results for bears. So you could scroll down the menu on the left side of the page and narrow your search. I'm going to pick nonfiction because there's 74 titles listed under nonfiction. Now, on this page that has narrowed down our book selections, I did want to show you that some of the books that come up don't appear to have anything to do with bears, and that is because those books were published by Sleeping Bear Press. So if bear is in the description of the book anywhere, those books are going to show up, and I just wanted to explain why you might find some titles that don't seem to go along with your subject that you're looking for. On this page, now that we are logged in, if we wanted, we can check out any book that has this available banner at the top, and we just scroll down and click on borrow, and we could and then borrow again, and you could either read it now in the browser or go on and check out another book. I wanted to show you that we also have read-along books. So let's check that one out also. We'll borrow it, and this one we'll go ahead and read in the browser. On this book, you would start the narration by clicking at the bottom of the page, and a narrator would read this book to your child. And I'm going to demonstrate that because the words will be highlighted as the narrator's reading. The tool that I'm using to make this video doesn't enable you to hear the narrator, so I just want you to be aware that when you actually use NC Kids Digital, you will be able to hear the narrator very clearly. And here are the words being highlighted as the narrator's reading them. So now I wanted to show you that sometimes when you log into your account and you want to find the books that you already have checked out, you'll always need to go back to the My Account button and click on it, and then click on Loans, and that will show you the books that are checked out on your card at the moment. You can have 5 books checked out at any time. You don't have to worry about returning them because they will return automatically at the end of 14 days. However, you could check out 5 books and your children could listen to or read those 5 books and then manually return the books by clicking Return, Return Title, and they will instantly be able to check out more titles. I also wanted to point out the information that keeps popping up here at the top of the page. You can learn more at meet.libbyapp.com about how to download the Libby app onto your phone or your iPad and read or listen to these books on those devices. So we hope that you will find this resource beneficial for you and the children in your care, especially on the days that you are not able to make it to the library. NC Kids Digital Library is the first state-sponsored digital library specifically for children. This resource has been made possible through a joint initiative of the North Carolina Library Directors Association, Overdrive, the State Library, and the North Carolina Legislature. And we hope that this video will enable you to take full advantage of this valuable resource.